Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. So in today's video I will tell you how to use a source tree. Source tree basically you can clone your project here and you can clone your project and then you can download your project from here. It doesn't matter in which language your project is. And so basically in source tree you can connect your the git account, or you can connect it to your bitbucket account. So in source tree you have a local, then in source tree then a local tab, and then a remote tab. Local tab basically gives you let you access your local repository data located on your channel, located on your computer or whatever machine you are using. And then the remote tab, you can search here. You will need to add an account. So basically for example, if you have a bitbucket account, you can select bitbucket, or if you have Azure DevOps or bitbucket server, github enterprise, gitlab, or these are different accounts. So for example, if we have a bitbucket, so you will select bitbucket here, and then select the host URL. Here will give you a URL of the bitbucket of or your repositories, and then you select HTTPS, and then your authentication would be OAuth, and then you will have to add your username and then refresh or token, and then you will press this OK. Once you press OK, it will take you for the login to the Atlassian Jira Bitbucket. So after doing login, then you can open your source tree software. So let's say if you have an account here attached, you can search your repositories here, and you can, after selecting this, for example, let's add something here, and then if you search your repositories here, and after selecting that repository you can go to clone. You can clone here project URL here, give the project URL here, destination path. This path would be to your local path, and then you can name, and then you can so this is where you select your root project. And then you can clone from here. After cloning it, let's say your clone is done, and then you can locate your project into your local directory. You go to Explorer. You can, here you will see your whatever your directory, whatever your path selected, you can see your project here. So let's close it down. And then there is another path, that is you can add new repository here. You can make a new repository here by giving the path to it. Then you give it name, and then you give it a local folder root. Local folder is very important for the project to understand the hierarchy for the project. And then there is a create repository. In create repository, you also create a destination path where you want to create your repository in local or to the remote place. And then you give it the name of the repository, and then you select the git version or the miracle. And if you, for example, if you have a git, then you can create here create repository on account. If you click this check, so it's mean you can create the same repository on your local machine as well as on your git account. From here you can select your account if you have added one. So from here you will select your owner or whatever your name is, and then you give some description for the project. And is it private, you will check if you want to keep this project private, or we want to share it with public, or I mean it's open source, so you can uncheck this check. So from here you will create the your project. So that's all from for today for the source tree tutorial. So hope you like it. uh, Take care till next video. Bye bye.